Welcome to a quick tutorial on how to film short videos, lessons from home using Screencastify. So what is Screencastify? Basically, it's a Google add-on that allows you to make quick screencasts where you can annotate lessons, websites, Google Docs, Google Slides, and easily do a voiceover and then really easily post that to Google Classroom. So today's lesson that I created has, objectives. So be able to film a short informational video, quickly and easily post to Google Classroom, be able to highlight, underline, and voice over. And the agenda is to watch, make your own, and share. You do not have to create a Google slide to be able to use Screencastify. You can use a website, you can use Google Docs, you can use literally anything. So basically what you want to get on your browser is this extension. It is called Screencastify. It is a screen video recorder. So how do we get that? Go to Google Chrome extensions, just search that, and go to the Chrome web store. Once you're at the web store, search Screencastify, and you'll see that I already have it added and it's asking me to rate it. But if it wasn't added, you would click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and then the icon would pop right up. So this icon looks like an arrow with a little video camera inside of it. And once you're ready with your lesson that you want to film, whatever that may be, you would just click on this little extension and it will ask you if you want the browser tab, desktop, or webcam only. I typically go with the desktop because you can switch from multiple tabs. You can go from maybe your slideshow to a website and then back to your slideshow without any problems. Make sure your microphone is set up. If you wanted the webcam, you could add it. And then you can change your countdown to 3, 5, or 10 seconds, and you want to show your drawing tools. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when you press record. It will ask you to share your entire screen. Now I have 2 screencasts going at the same time, but I will click share, and then I would just start voicing over my lesson after the 3, 2, 1 countdown. So this is what the Screencastify menu looks like. Basically, you have your mouse pointer and you have your pen. You can change the color and you can annotate, highlight, underline, or erase. You can also go back to your mouse pointer, and when you are ready to stop your recording, you can also focus or hide your cursor. But when you're ready to stop, you can just press pause and then stop. This is the amazing part. It will automatically open up your video. So if you needed to trim it to shorten the beginning or the end, you can. And you could see that tool right here. You would click to unmute and hear how your voiceover sounded, and then you would title it to whatever your lesson title was. It saves it automatically to Google Drive, but you can also copy a shareable link, share to Classroom, publish to YouTube, get an embed code, or download. So this is amazing. It works seamlessly with Google Classroom, and you can annotate and voice over as many videos as you need and easily post them for all of your students to watch. I hope this was helpful.